Today we're going to be looking at a wire stripper and giving you a little demonstration of it. I'd like to thank the seller for sending this product today to us in exchange for a video. All the views and opinions in this video are my own. It's got an adjusting screw knob here. You can set the depth of your cutter. It's got 3 different sizes that can be adjusted. This can be adjusted also. And we're going to strip some wire here. Let's see how it works. Okay, so there were no instructions with this, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You just set this at the end of a workbench. It comes with this block here. You get it close to the edge right there, and it comes with a set screw. It comes with a handle. Screw that in there. It does come with 4 screws, so you can screw it into a table. We're not going to do that today, but you got to put the set screw in. This here is a 12 gauge wire, so we're going to use the smallest setting on here. Okay. All right, so there you go. You can split wire. The housing of the wire easier, the rubber easier with this tool. This tool is only designed for round wire, and this one here is very thin, so if it was actually a larger gauge and what it was made for, this would work better and show off better, but this is what we had today. Okay, so then that comes out just like that, and you can expose as much wire as you'd like. Give it a little twist up.